Today I am reviewing the Bose TV speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Now, don't let the small size of this soundbar fool you. At just over 2 inches tall and about 23 inches wide, it's compact enough to fit neatly under your TV or even mount on the wall. But the sound it delivers is far from small. In fact, it punches way above its weight class when it comes to clarity, richness, and immersive audio. Let's talk about what makes this Bose TV speaker special.